Tech stocks leading the charge in the past week and set to close out another year with double-digit returns. Our next guest is on pullback watch, but is seeing potential in a few names in the new year. Joining me now to discuss is EMJ Capital founder and portfolio manager Eric Jackson. Welcome. It's good to see you. Happy holidays. Thanks for joining us, Eric. You there?
Yeah, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah from the 51st state.
Okay. Oh, you're in Canada? Where are you? Just kidding.
Yeah.
Eric, you are actually. So let's talk about the names, because you have a very high risk tolerance. You always go for names that make people maybe a little squeamish. I know you bought Carvana when times were tough. That turned out to be a really good bet. And now you're looking at Peloton. How long have you been in this one, and why do you think it's promising?
Yeah, a couple of months now, Sarah. I mean, this is a name that, like Carvana, dropped something like 95% from its all-time highs post-COVID. And this is a name that has been forgotten about, but it's got a bunch of loyal subscribers that are not going to cancel, that are high margin revenue, and they are in the midst of a turnaround. They have a new CEO starting next week, actually. There is more fat to cut at Peloton in terms of admin and marketing costs. And so I'd say it's sort of me and David Einhorn who really like the stock. Everyone else has kind of forgotten about it. But this is a stock that has potential to triple in 2025. And I think these are the kinds of names you want to look at going into 2025, because the market's rallied for the last 2 years, basically. So you want to look for names that have been unloved up to this point, or are at the beginning of like a new secular trend.
Why do you say it has the potential to triple? Because the knock against Peloton is it just doesn't have that much room for growth in terms of fans. Like its high point was in COVID when everyone was home and everyone was doing Peloton, and we haven't really looked back at that time in any meaningful way. And most people I know who have Pelotons do not use them.
Well, the ones who have them are still sticking with it. But I agree. Every time I pass a Peloton store in the mall, it's empty. Just in the last couple of weeks, actually, I was surprised when I walked by and actually saw real customers strolling through there. Clearly, they don't need any stores. They have spent way too much thinking that when they were $155 stock, that things were going to continue that way. And so so you can do well because they are on the verge of tipping into profitability. And have been forgotten about and ignored. And if they can pull on some levers to cut the costs and show just a little bit of growth. I mean, Carvana, keep in mind, didn't have a lot of growth, but they just didn't die. They didn't go bankrupt.
Sure.
You can see those kinds of names do really, really well.
Okay, so one that has done really, really well already that you still like is MicroStrategy. And I'm always eager to ask people who own this stock, why own MicroStrategy if you can just buy Bitcoin?
It's a levered play on Bitcoin, Sarah. You're right. So you got me caught there. So if you believe, like I believe, that Bitcoin is going to end 2025 over $200,000 rather than $100,000, then why not have a more levered bet on that through something like a MicroStrategy? I just think there are a bunch of catalysts going into next year. Obviously, you're going to have the strategic reserve get started in earnest by Trump. And we know that nations like Russia and the UAE already have been stockpiling Bitcoin. I think there's going to be sort of a rush, everybody through the exit doors at the same time in terms of other sovereign nations following suit. People talking about, hey, there's 19 million of the 21 million Bitcoin have already been mined, and sort of a panic buying could set in. I also think we'll see in 2025 a broadening out of the rally, not just to the small caps and the Russell, but in crypto world to altcoins, who really haven't participated as much as Bitcoin has over the last year and a half.
And you like the whole space. You like going through Robinhood, some of these other stocks, just any exposure you can.
Yeah, I mean,
because you think Bitcoin's going to double.
Yeah, I mean, I trimmed Coinbase recently because I had exposure to names like Galaxy, Hut 8, which is in the mining space. I like DeFi Technologies the most because they're a crypto ETF provider in Europe and Asia that is still only like 5x forward PE. So I think all those names will do well. There aren't that many public equities to invest in that are crypto exposed, so I have a bunch.